Hi traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to make complete trading setup with Accuindex, Forex broker and MetaTrader 5. First we'll create an account in this broker. After we create a trading account and then we'll connect trading account with MetaTrader 5. So this is a complete guide for beginner trader. So at the end of this video you will be ready to trade in real market using this broker. So let's start. First you need to click on the link given in video description. After this, click on start now. Open live account. So here you need to write your first name, last name, country of residence, write your phone number, write your email address and set your main account password. Confirm password. By registering you agree to our privacy policy, so tick this box and click sign up. Account register successfully. You have signed up successfully. Our team will contact you shortly. Now open your Gmail address. Open this mail, welcome to Accuindex. Thank you for completing your registration with Accuindex. We would like to inform you that your portal access has been approved. Complete your profile and set up your account to start trading. So log in here, use your exact Gmail and password. Click login. Complete your profile. Title. Write your date of birth, nationality, write your address, preferred language, postal code and city, employment status, source of fund, annual income, profession, are you or any member of your family a politically exposed person? No. Again, same question, no. Are you a citizen of the United States of America? No. I have worked for at least 2 years in a directly relevant role within the financial service industry? No. By clicking submit, you hereby confirm and agree to the following. These are terms and conditions. Read and tick all these boxes and click submit. So here's email verification. Click send verification code. Open your Gmail, refresh. Open Accuindex pin and write exact code 461215. 461215. Email successfully verified. Your account is not verified. Please upload your ID. Copy the trade of professional and expert trader and watch your profit grow. So you can earn money using copy trading without trading yourself. So open accounts, live accounts. You don't have a live trading accounts. Again, go to live accounts, select MetaTrader 5. These are accounts types: standard, pro, raw, copy trading account. I'm going to select pro account, select account base currency, and set trading account password. So this is the password we are going to use in MetaTrader 5 to log in this trading account. Click create account. So this is our MT5 trading account. Go to profile, my documents, proof of identity. Here you need to upload your front and back picture of your ID card. Select your country of residence, all countries except USA. Click continue. Select your documents type, ID card, and you can continue using your phone or laptop web camera. Now our next step is to connect this trading account with MetaTrader 5. So open your Gmail and open this mail account created. We would like to inform you that your Accuindex MT5 live account has been created. So to connect this trading account, we need three things. First, account number, second, password, and third, server name. Open MT5, go to file option, open an account. Here you need to search your broker, Accuindex. Click find your company. Accuindex Limited. So select this one. Click next. Select connect with an existing trader account. Here you need to paste your login number. This is our login number. Copy this and paste here and write your trading account password. Select your server Accuindex Limited live and click finish. So in this way you can connect your trading account with MT5. Now you are ready to trade in real market. Just open your Accuindex account, click on deposit, select your payment systems, Skrill, Netlab, wire transfer, or you can use cryptocurrencies, Binance or other exchanges, or you can use your Visa or MasterCard. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.